Assalamu alaikum students, welcome back to the channel Mathematics by Parjwani. In this video, we will start a new topic, directed number, and we will solve the paper 1 questions as well in this video. So we will start this topic in this video and we will end this topic in this video and do some paper 1 question as well. So starting with the topic directed number. So first we need to understand what is directed numbers. Directed numbers mean positive or negative numbers. You all know about integers. The positive and negative describe a number direction. The positive and negative sign will describe the direction of the number, either where it is located in relation to 0 or which maybe it's making a space. So positive 9, we can say, we can see in this diagram. Yeah, I'm showing you. So positive 9 plus 9 or just 9 as at the right hand. We know that right side all the numbers are positive, highest number we can say greater. In the left side we all have a negative number and we can say a lower number less than. And in the middle we have a 0. So this is a integers number, we all know about it. So this is how it will show in this diagram, and this is how we can know what are the greater number and what are the lesser numbers, and we know about what is the direction of positive number and what is the direction of negative number. As you see, the positive number, this direction is right side and the negative number direction is left side. Okay, so we have some things we have to understand. This addition and subtraction, I know you all know about these things, but it's the revision for you. When you add two positive number, the answer is positive. When you add two positive number, your answer will be positive. For example, 2 plus 2, you will get positive 2. 3 plus 5, you will get positive 8. So the numbers, when you add two positive number, you will get positive number. When you subtract a negative number from a positive, it also going to include a positive number. Example. So when you subtract a negative number from a positive, it is also going to turn out to be a positive number. But it depends on the numbers as well. Okay, it depends on the number. When you subtract a negative number from a positive, okay, so we will get a turn into a positive number. Example, 3 plus positive 2 is, this is example of positive numbers. 3 plus 2 will be 5. If a positive number subtract to a negative number, as you see, the positive number subtract with a negative number 6, this is sign for the subtraction, and this show the negative number. When we subtract negative number, the answer will be positive, as two negative sign result in positive. So minus minus is equal to plus, it will become plus. 6 plus 3 will be 9. So I hope you all know about it. Minus minus is equal to plus. Plus minus is equal to minus. Okay, I hope you all know about this, but this is a revision for all of you. Minus plus is equal to minus, and plus plus is equal to plus. Okay, so these are the simple rules of addition subtraction. I think you know about it. So it's very important that you remember the subtraction and negative number result in positive number. At the same time, if you either do adding a negative number and you are subtracting a positive number, then the final answer is like a base 6 subtraction. Positive 7 plus negative 2. Positive 7 plus negative 2. So 7, as I told you, plus minus minus. 7 minus 2 will be 5. Positive 8 subtract negative 2. Minus plus minus. So 8 minus 2 will be 6. So this is how it will work in addition and subtraction. Now, moving with the multiplication and division, there are a lot of rules in this. If you multiply a positive number with a positive, then the answer is a positive number. As we know that when we multiply a positive number with a positive number, we will get the positive. That's 2 multiplied by 5 will be 10. Negative 5 multiplied by 2. So when we multiply two negative number, it will become positive. Remember that. Because I told you minus minus is equal to plus. Always remember these rules. As I told you the previous slide, applying the multiplication. Minus minus will be plus. When we multiply minus minus, it will become plus. As I told you the previous slide, plus minus 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 plus minus plus plus plus. So minus minus plus 5 to the 10. The positive 10 is the answer. Okay. Uh, and the important thing in the addition subtraction, it depends on the highest number. For example, if a number is minus 8 plus 3. So what will be the answer? The answer will be minus 5, because the bigger number of the both, if we compare the both number, the bigger number is 8. So with 8 we have a subtraction sign, so we have to write a subtraction sign with the answer as well. So always check in addition subtraction which is a bigger number. The bigger number sign will be allotted to the answer, remember that. Okay, this is the basic rules, you have to know about it, but if you don't know, this is what is video about it, you will get the answer. If you divide a positive number are positive, then the answer, when we divide, if we divide 4 divided by 2, both are positive, we will get positive 2. Okay, a negative 8 divided by negative 4 is positive 2. So what does it mean? Minus 8 divided by minus 4 is equal to 2. How is it possible? Because numerator denominator sign will be cancel out. It will become 8 upon 4. 4 ones are 4 twos are. So answer will be positive 2. If the written like this 8 divided by 2. So the 8 is negative and 2 is positive. So we cannot cancel out this sign. We can only cancel out the sign which are same. Negative negative, for example, we cannot cancel the positive positive sign because it will give already positive answer. So 2 ones are 2 fours are, so answer will be minus 4. So I hope you understand what is the basic concept of directed number. The very simple topic. If a sign are different, it if either one of a number are negative, then the answer of the negative. As I told you in multiplication, if sign is different, for example minus 5 multiplied by plus 2, plus minus minus 5 to the 10, so answer will be negative 10. Okay, so just remember the basics rules of the numbers and the signs. If you know the basic rules, you can easily solve this question. There are not much in this topic, you just need to remember the basic rule. Okay, the last one, then we move towards the paper 1 question. There's a very easy topic, there's a very small topic and very easy topic. You just need to understand the basic concepts. Negative 8 divided by positive, as I told you, we have done this example as well. Negative 8 divided by positive 4, so 4 ones are 4 twos are, the answer will be minus 2. Okay, or we can say 8 divided by negative 4, same process, 4 ones are 4 twos are, this will be minus 2. Okay, so this is how we can solve these directed, or we can solve these signs, how we can solve I hope you understand all of this concept. They're very easy concept. Okay, so now we are moving towards the question that comes in the past paper, or we can say paper 1 question. So what type of questions come in the paper? You can see the very easy question. The question 1 is, Tasneem records the temperature in centigrade at 6 a.m. every day for 10 days. So the stream records the 10-day temperatures. Here we have a 10-day temperature. Find the difference between the highest and the lowest temperature. So we need to find the difference between highest and lowest. So the highest temperature is this. I hope you know which one is the highest. As we see, the highest number is moving towards the right side, and all the numbers are positive as we seen in the first slides. So the highest number in this, the recorded temperature is 2. So we have to find difference. Difference mean minus. As I told you in the first lecture that you have to note it down. What is the meaning of difference? What is the meaning of product? What is the meaning of sum? And the lowest. So we have to find the lowest. The lowest is minus 7. So minus 7. So you just need to know the basic concept of directed number. So you will know that minus minus will be plus. So it will become 2 plus 7. And the answer is 9 degrees Celsius. This will be the final answer. You will get 1 marks of it. This question carry 1 mark. So that's a very easy question. I hope you understand how we solving this question. So now moving towards the next, uh, another easy question, and this will help you to understand which type of questions come in your exam related to the topics. So in previous, we have done a lot of topic cover up. So you can go and watch the video, standard form, indices, etc. etc. You can go and watch the video and make your concept strong because it's very important for your paper. These are the minimum temperature in degree Celsius recorded by weather station each day during 1 week. Temperature for 1 week is this. Find the range. So the formula of range is highest temperature, highest value minus lowest. This is a simple formula to find the range. Highest value minus lowest value. So the highest value in this is, you can see 0. The highest value is minus 0.7 minus. Now we have to find the lowest value. The lowest value is this minus 4.6, and I told you minus minus plus, so it will become 0.7 plus 4.6. Now this is, remember that minus 0.7 plus 4.6. So we have to subtract the number because there is a negative sign. Okay, so we will get 3.9, and we will get the positive 3.9 because the bigger number in this both number is 4.6, and with 4.6 we have a positive sign. So this means that the answer should be positive. As I told you in the previous slide, I hope you understand the concept. This is the final answer, 3.9. I hope you understand. Now, how many of these temperature are between -4 and -2? So we have to tell how many temperature are between -4 and -2 degree Celsius. So the numbers we have, so I have to clear this. The numbers we are doing this part B. So -4 is the first one is -2.3. The second one is -2.4, and third one is -3.5. So no more than so. The temperature between -4 and -2 are these three. So we can say how many. The question is how many. So we will write three is the answer. We have three temperature between -4 and -2. So I hope you understand the concept. Now moving towards the next question. The temperature in a freezer is -18 degrees Celsius and the outside temperature is 24 degrees Celsius. Find the difference between the outside temperature and the freezing. So we have to subtract. Difference means subtract. Outside, so outside temperature 24 degree, difference minus, and then the freezing. Freezing is -18. So it will become minus minus plus, and the answer will be 42 degrees Celsius is the final answer. I hope you understand. The temperature in the fridge is 22 degrees Celsius warmer than the freezer temperature. The freezer temperature is -8. Find the temperature in the fridge. So we have to find the temperature in the fridge. The temperature in the fridge is 22 degrees Celsius warmer than the freezer temperature. The freezer temperature is -8. So we just need to add this. The answer will get 4 degrees Celsius. So this will be the final answer. I hope you understand. You will get 2 marks for this question. Okay, now moving towards the next question. This will be the last question. So in this video, we have just need to understand the concept of direct number, and we just need to go through the question that comes in the past papers, and especially in the paper number 1. This topic comes in the paper 1. So this is what type of questions come in the paper. So the table shows some information about the temperature in a city. This table shows the temperature in the city. 1st February, maximum temperature is -10, minimum is 3 degrees Celsius. 1st March, 4 degrees Celsius and -5 degree. Find the difference between the maximum minimum temperature on 1 March. The 1st March, we need to find the difference between maximum minimum. 4, maximum is 4, difference minus, and then we have -5. So it will become 9 degrees Celsius. This will be the final answer. I hope you understand how we finding this question. Now, the minimum temperature of T degrees on 1st February was 13 degree lower than the minimum temperature first. So what we have to do, we have to just the minimum temperature T degrees Celsius on 1st Feb minimum was 13 degree lower than the minimum temperature on 1st March. So we just need to write -5 and -13 because it say -13 degree lower than. So it will become -18 degrees Celsius. So that's it. So I hope you understand the topic. If you have any question or you have any question that you get in trouble to solve it, you can ask me in comment. I will share you the solution as well. So I hope everything is clear. Inshallah, in next video, we will move towards the next topic. Allah Hafiz.